Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Maths, which is dedicated to give you tips and tricks related to mathematics. So students, today we are going to solve a math Olympiad question which was asked in Russia. Okay, so the question is given the things which are given in the question is x square minus y square is equals to 9, x into y equals to 3, then what is the value of x plus y? So now over here what we can do is x square minus y square is equals to 9. This is something which is given to us. Okay, so let's square both of these, because when you square I might get something in the form of x plus y. I want a plus sign, right? So when you square both sides, what we get over here is x square minus y square the whole square, and this is 9 square. Okay, a lot of you all might have started with x minus y and x plus y, but the problem is after that second step you will get stuck. We are not getting anything else. Okay, so that is the reason why I have started with squaring both the sides. So I'm getting x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 minus 2x square y square is equals to 81. So now in this form I'm getting something in the product of xy which is given over here. Okay, now please understand, x square y square can be written as xy the whole square, correct? So here x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 minus 2 into xy the whole square, which is xy value is what, 3 square, right? Because x square y square can be written as xy the whole square is equals to 81. Right, students, if you like the way I'm explaining, then please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Okay, so we have x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 minus 2 into 9, which is 18, is equals to 81. Now we can shift this on this side. So we have x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4. When you add 18 to 81, you get 99. Okay, now the problem over here is the question they were asking is x plus y, not x raised to 4 and y raised to 4. So here we will use certain logic of identities. So now look over here, if I had x square plus y square the whole square, right, that can be written as what, x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 plus 2 x square y square, right? But I just want this. Okay, so I can shift this over here. So I can say therefore x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 is equals to x square plus y square the whole square minus 2x square y square, correct? So instead of x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4, I can write x square plus y square the whole square minus 2 into x square y square, correct, is equals to 99. So this now becomes x square plus y square the whole square is equals to 99 plus 2 into xy the whole square, which is 3 square, right? This is the same step I have done over here. So now I'm just drawing a line to avoid confusion. I can write x square plus y square is equals to 99 plus 18. That gets me 7117, which is still x square plus y square. So sorry, it is still the whole square over here. So now if I want just x square plus y square, then I can take the square root, right? So when I take the square root, the square will get cancelled, and here I'll get plus minus root of 117. Okay, but still students, this is not my final answer. My final answer is x plus y. So now please look over here, x square plus x plus y the whole square gets you x square plus y square plus 2xy, correct? So I can say x square plus y square is nothing but x plus y the whole square minus 2xy, right? I hope you are getting how to solve this kind of a question, getting the hang of it. First we increased the power and then now we are decreasing it and going up to the power of 1. Okay, so now this can be written as x plus y the whole square minus 2xy is equals to plus minus root of 117, correct? So this can be written as x plus y the whole square minus 2 into xy, which is 3, so that gets you 6, is equals to plus minus root of 117. I hope you all are with me till here. Okay, so now I can say x plus y the whole square is equals to plus minus root of 117 plus 6, correct? So now in order to find just x plus y, that is how what we are looking for, we'll take the square root. So x plus y, taking the square roots on both the sides, can be written as plus minus root of 117 plus 6. So your final answer now becomes x plus y is equals to plus minus root of 117 plus 6. Oh sorry, here also there is a root, here also there is a root. Okay, so I hope you all have understood how to solve this kind of question. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.